Hold on, hold on, hold on. I think this is an awesome opportunity to do something.
Like suicide?
Why not?
Well,
Alright, so it's Bard and Blitzcrank bot lane. Cool.
you pull him, I can
Brad.
What? Plug my stream.
plug your stream and fucking another chat. Do it.
Plug my stream.
Plug your stream, bitch.
In all chat?
Hold on, I must increase the
Bit rate.
delay.
Bitch.
Bitch.
You have to increase the delay to like 45 minutes.
Fucking
Ribbit.
you.
Look at that window name.
Isaki.
Ribbit.
Ribbit. Unfrog the... What's his name? No, unclog the frog.
You fucked it so hard. It's, I had a fucking
Unfrog the
aneurysm.
Fucked it back to life, baby.
Ah!
Fucked it so hard that he became a necrophiliac.
What?
What?
What do
Wait,
you
what?
call it when it's the opposite of necrophilia? So basically, it's a dead person fucking
it's
alive.
sex.
It's kind of zombie.
It's called sex.
It's called sex. The opposite of necrophilia. Necrophilia is having sex with somebody who's dead.
Wrong.
Having sex with somebody who's alive is called sex.
No, the opposite. Someone dead having sex with someone who's
They're
alive.
dead. How can they fucking?
It's called roleplay.
I stop it.
No, that's called your average roleplay. I just hang.
Fucking. Fucking dick too.
I hate you guys. Bar noises.
Bard noises.
I hate you, Nick.
There's a thing over there. There's a thing over there. It's right next to the tower.
It's a
Let's go get it.
Go get it. I'll grab it for you.
I got it. I got it. I got it. Let's run.
Run. You're so slow. That's awkward.
Just the Blitzcranks punching each other. No worries.
It was a high five.
A weem away. A weem away. A weem away.
Jesus. Kill it now.
All right.
I like being fisted.
Hey,
Yeah, bitch.
Conversation.
She's dead.
Oh god.
The stun lock.
I'm gonna take you for a ride.
That was so funny.
Like, chance.
Yeah.
I'm a shaker, right?
Yeah.
I'm a pretty decent shaker, right?
No.
No. All right.
So quiet. So quiet.
Oh. I don't give a fuck. Come on, get back here, bitch boy. I'm gonna fuck you up. I'm gonna fuck you up. Keep over here.
I want murder.
Smash cheeks.
Not gonna lie, Nick. What you're saying is turning me on.
If you're turn on, it's kind of sexy.
Yeah, it is.
Going.
Oh! I did it too early. Wow.
Great.
She dashed into it. I want to just flash silence him, and then you guys follow up to prevent the
Silence.
Silence. I want to silence him.
All right, Sean, calm down.
I'm trying to silence myself. trying to silence myself.
Wait, Nick.
Uh-oh. Wow,
wow.
Jesus.
You fucking saved him.
Just saved this imperfect night.
You actually
Wow.
just saved him.
Exhausted! Oh my god.
This is APE.
What? He was exhausted and he just like two-shot you. What the heck?
God, I wanna kill myself.
Van
Why does that
Cleef.
sound familiar?
Marcel?
Oh. Bitch.
Oh, Nick's good.
Hey.
Nope.
Oh. I'm on my way.
The show is over.
Pulling fountain.
Nope.
I
Oh,
pulled
nice,
him.
you
I
pulled
pulled
him
him out of Callista ulti.
Oh wow, I fucking messed up.
Callista?
Callista? Callista?
Yeah. Didn't you know Kindred is just a Callista skin? Look at that
Why
portal.
don't you
Damn. Chance, that was intense. That was a good portal.
Yeah, dude, it was a beat outplay.
You were hoping to go through it and be sent like to a different match.
Yeah, I'll do a different match.
One where your team doesn't suck, right?
We're fine. We can come back.
Oh, I should have just dragged them into Fountain.
I've come back from worse than this.
Back. Oh, come on, Vex works on this.
Thanks for watching, subscribing, and all the words that end with thing. I hope you liked my video, and I just want you to know that you're an idiot, and you should probably kill yourself for watching this fucking video. Get a life!